hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back guys. I hope you all are doing great and so breakfast has been done and now we are going to a weekend trip kind of a thing. मतलब हाँ मतलब एक दिन stay करके ऐसे trip पे जा रहे हैं. So first location is Bedse Caves. So हम अभी Bedse Caves में जा रहे हैं. Here is the location. You can check it out. So yeah, चलते हैं. are done with Bedse caves. Like, we did the trekking, we visited the caves, and now we are at the base. So the trekking is approximately half an hour, and so, like, depending on your capacity to trek, it's very heighted, like, and it's very steep also. But there are stairs throughout, like from the base to the caves there are stairs throughout, and thanks to the winds it made the weather better. Otherwise it's so sunny out there. You can see the sweat clearly. It's so sunny, it's so hot. Thankfully the winds were there and the climate was a bit cloudy, that's why it didn't affect much. But नीचे आते वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा धूप थी. So yeah, we are now in the parking slot, and yeah, it's done. It's very beautiful. It's really very pretty. Like, whenever you go there, it's like a worth the trek, like worth the effort. And there is a guide there. And when I asked him कि यार ये ऊपर क्यों है, इतना ऊपर क्यों है, इतना चढ़ के, so it's a Buddhist heritage, right? So it's an ancient Buddhist heritage, and इतना ज़्यादा ऊपर क्यों है, वो लोग कैसे चढ़ते होंगे and all, क्योंकि तब तो stairs भी नहीं थे. So he was like कि Buddhist caves सारे इतने ऊपर होते हैं क्योंकि oxygen level at the ground and at the top is different, and like it's less there compared to the ground level. So he said कि बहुत खूबसूरती से उन्होंने कहा कि like जब ऑक्सीजन लेवल वहाँ पे कम होता है, एंड व्हेन यू परिश्रम करके आप इतने ऊपर चढ़ते हो, लाइक यू टेक ऑल द एफर्ट्स एंड यू क्लाइम देयर, सो ऑटोमेटिकली योर thoughts, your multiple thoughts arriving in your brain calm down, and then you easily focus on one thought, and the place is so calm and so peaceful out there, you automatically feel like sitting calmly and meditating. And because you're so tired, you would willingly want to meditate, and less, like, it's very cold out there, right? So, and it's very like the stones and all are very cold, so you automatically feel like calmness in you, within you, and then you want to sit for meditation. So it's purposely built in that way, and there is everything there, like from the water tanks to the places for the places to live out there, वो सब कुछ है वहाँ पे, and it's really pretty. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please do like, share, comment, and please do subscribe. And then we are going now heading towards Camp Shade, so we are doing camping and stuff all there. So yeah, stay tuned and for the next vlog out there, and we will meet in the next one. तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, उम्मीद ना हारिए. Stay safe, take care, like, share, comment, and please do subscribe. Bye.